Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new AirPod Pros 2, and I'm going to share with you guys a few of my favorite features. Let's get into it. There are a lot of new features I'm really eager to try out, the first one being adaptive audio. You guys know we already have active noise cancellation and transparency mode, but adaptive audio is the best of both worlds. You'll be able to use this in your everyday life. If you're crossing the street and someone honks a horn, you'll now be able to hear that, which I think is so useful. I know for me personally, I sometimes don't walk around with active noise cancellation on because I want to hear my surroundings. So now with adaptive audio, I'm going to feel a lot more safe. This next feature is a game changer. Apple announced conversational awareness, and I'm going to be using this every single day. Basically, when you're listening to your AirPods and someone starts talking to you and you reply, the music will automatically lower in volume, and then when the conversation's done, it will increase in volume. I was shocked the first time I tried this. It worked seamlessly. This is going to be so useful because now you no longer have to rip your AirPods out of your ear when someone starts talking to you at the gym or a coworker at the office. Another feature I'm going to use every single day is the new mute feature. All you have to do is tap on your AirPods once and it mutes it, and then tap again to unmute on a call. Now you no longer have to pull your phone out of your pocket to mute the call. If you're anything like me and your AirPods are always dead, this is going to be a game changer. You'll now be able to charge your AirPod Pros with your iPhone 15 series. Thank you, Apple, for this update. I'm definitely going to be using this all the time. I have been using the previous generation every single day, and I love the active noise cancellation. However, I realized that I need to be able to hear something, so that's why I'm definitely going to be going with the AirPod Pros 2 now. And I also noticed that there is a faster switching between my laptop, computer, and AirPods seamlessly, so I'm definitely leaning towards the brand new AirPod Pros 2. Let me know which one you guys are gonna go with down in the comments. Guys, I have so many more videos coming out this week, so make sure to hit like and subscribe so you guys can be first to watch all my new videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!